What numbers exactly divide 24 without leaving a remainder? Let's find out and also discover what we call these numbers. Hi everyone, welcome to Easy Math, and in today's video, let's understand what are factors. So, factors are numbers that multiply and give us a particular number. And the numbers that are getting multiplied are called the factors of 24. Here 24 is the multiple of 6 and 4, and 6 and 4 are the factors of 24. For example, let's find out the factors of 12. If I have 12, then I have to find all the factor pairs which when multiplied I'm getting 12. We all know that 1 times 12 is 12. So 1 is a factor of 12 and 12 is a factor of 12. And therefore, every number has a factor of 1 and number itself, even if it's a prime number. Now, another factors of 12 are, if I multiply 4 and 3, then 4 and 3 are factors of 12 because 4 multiplied by 3, I'm getting 12. Again, 6 times 2 is 12. So 6 and 2 are the factors of 12. And since we are finding the factors in pairs here, therefore, these are also called as the factor pairs. And the factor pairs of 12 can be written as 1 and 12, 4 and 3, and 6 and 2. So factor pairs means those pairs of numbers which when multiplied give a particular number. So the factor pairs of 12 here are 1 and 12, 4 and 3, and 6 and 2. And if I talk about all the factors of 12, then all the factors of 12 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12, and these are all the factors of 12. Let's do few examples to find the factors of 18 and 35. To find the factors of any number, we think of any two numbers multiplied, we get a particular number. For example, in 18, we think of two numbers which when multiplied we get 18, or we think of any table, any times table in which 18 is coming. So I know that 6 times 3 is 18. Therefore, 6 and 3 are factors of 18. Also, 1 times 18 is also 18. Therefore, 1 and 18 are also the factors of 18. We also know that 9 times 2 is 18. Therefore, 6 and 3, 1 and 18, 9 and 2 are the factors of 18. These can also be said as factor pairs because these numbers multiplied I am getting 18, and therefore these are the factor pairs of 18. And all the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Remember, every number has a factor of 1 and number itself, even if it is a prime number. Let's say I have 7 and 1 times 7 is 7. Therefore, 1 and 7 are the factors of 7. Let's go to next example, 35. Now you have to think of two numbers which when multiplied we get 35, or think of any table wherein you're getting 35 as a multiple. We know that 7 times 5 is 35. Therefore, 7 and 5 are factors of 35. And don't forget 1 and number itself. So it is 1 times 35 is 35. Therefore, the factors of 35 are 1, 5, 7 and 35. Now I want you to solve these questions and find the factors of 15 and 22. Before attempting the questions, remember 1 and number itself are always the factors of any particular number. And what are factors? Factors are numbers that divide the particular number without leaving any remainder. Do mention your answers in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, math gets easier by practice. Happy learning. Wish you the best.